Hello, everybody. Make money audit. Make money audit here. We're gonna do another audit on money talk with Leon. We'll get right into it. So this one gets a D, and Leon graded himself. 40 seconds into the video, he says 21,000 in 3 months, then 200,000 in 3 months. Same window, 10 times apart. Okay. And the guy who doesn't sell you anything in the first 25 seconds of the video, he already sends you right to an app that he gets commission off of. So now you're thinking this guy is selling you stuff. He is selling you stuff. His ideas are generally okay. The concept is there. But selling PDFs, I don't know. I mean, I've actually just tried it just to see if it's even feasible. And so far, it's not. So go ahead and play the clip a little bit and let you listen to it, and then I'll get back into the audit.
Making $10,000 in 1 month is easy. Watch this, okay? So why can I say that? Well, first, because $201,000 in the last 3 months. Let me go ahead and refresh your screen. Hands up, I don't edit my videos. I give it to you guys raw. You know what I'm saying? Get your mind out the gutter. No, but I'm just so sick of people overcomplicating things. And it's like, I'm going to show you my exact process.
Okay. Overcomplicating things is not the problem, Leon. The problem is you're giving false hope and misinformation, so people get frustrated and try and do stuff that you're suggesting, which doesn't work in the time frame that you're giving. And how long have you been doing this to where you've got that amount of money? I guarantee it's not in the time frame of any type of realistic time frame less than a year. So that's why people have a problem. That's why you guys keep going and getting involved with this type of stuff. So you know the missing okay, so 24 minutes into the video, if you watch it, 24 minutes, I'm sorry. So he's going to give you a complete guide in 24 minutes. Okay. $1 target, zero mention of what the PDF sells for, landscaping phrase. He gives you the revenue and hides the price. This is not his business plan. This is just a magic trick. He doesn't give you the details. None of these guys do. None of the YouTube gurus ever give you the back end information on this. Okay. So we're going to do some math on this. So 23,000 views, 300 store visits, 12 sales in his own 4%, maybe $150 back on a $200 spend. So what he doesn't tell you is the amount of money you're going to spend to try to get these sales. There's where it comes up again. Okay. The big version, the 15K influencer fees. Yeah. Who's got that money? Make 10K. The landscape, you don't need the math. It fails. His math just doesn't add up. You can lie, you can sugarcoat it, you can do everything you want, but the numbers don't match, Leon. You're selling false hope again. You're trying to get people ideas for crap that's really oversaturated. Create a store, create a whatever, and then list it, meta ads. You got to get your meta ads approved. They just don't happen overnight. You got to find out what's trending, what's going on. Just because you sell PDFs in your PDF finder or trend finder, whatever the hell it's called, doesn't mean you're going to get sales, people. You're just not. Okay. So, oh yeah, Okay. So Trend Lab prices at page 99 per month. Okay. So I'm looking at my notes on here just so I can go a little bit farther. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I don't see much more I can really go on this one. This should have got an F, but the method is real, and that's the only reason why it survives. If it ever comes out that he owns the app that we're having, and I'm rattled on this one. This is another one that just doesn't make any sense. Yeah, you can make the PDFs. You can sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, create your own store, whatever. The problem is the market that you're trying to find. And if you use AI to try and find that winning niche, good luck. Because I have Claude doing mine. I had Chat they came up with 4 products, and I put 4 on my Etsy store, and that's been almost 3 months. I've had Etsy ads. I canceled the ads. I'm not getting the views. The saturation of what I was trying to sell is saturated. There's like 30 pages of people selling this stuff. So, I thought I could break into the market. You can't. It's just unrealistic. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And if you use any of Leon's ideas, please comment. Let's give me an idea of what you did and how long it took. Truthful, how long it took for you to make any money and what you had to spend to get there. All right. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.